Hi everyone, welcome to my video on learning how to use Power BI step by step. Power BI is a powerful business intelligence and data visualization tool from Microsoft that makes it easy to connect to data sources, visualize data, and create interactive reports. In this video, I'll be walking you through the basic steps to get started with Power BI as a beginner. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install Power BI Desktop. The first step is to download and install the Power BI Desktop application. You can download it for free from the Microsoft website. The Power BI Desktop is where you will create reports and import and transform data before publishing it online. Once you've downloaded the installer, run it to install Power BI Desktop on your machine. Step 2. Connect to a data source. Next, we need some data to work with. Power BI can connect to a wide variety of data sources like Excel, CSV files, databases, and more. For this demo, let's connect to an Excel workbook. In Power BI Desktop, click on Get Data and select the Excel workbook you want to use. This will launch the data import process. Step 3. Transform and clean your data. Now it's time to transform and clean up the raw data. In the Power Query Editor, you can remove unnecessary columns, change data types, aggregate columns, and more. Spend some time shaping the data so it's ready for reporting. For large data sets, Power BI has data modeling features to further refine the data. Step 4. Start building your reports. Once the data is imported and transformed, close the query editor. Now we can start building reports. In the report view, you'll see a blank canvas. Here you can drag and drop fields to start creating visualizations like charts, graphs, and tables. Customize each visual to get it looking just right. Step 5. Publish and share your reports. The reports you create in Power BI Desktop need to be published online to be able to share them with others. Click on Publish and select a destination in the Power BI service. You can publish to your own workspace or share it within your organization. That's it. Your report is now live online and can be accessed on the web or in the Power BI mobile apps.